Hey guys, this is Express Graphics. So today we'll be talking about Pixellab, an Android app created by App Holdings. They have 50 million plus downloads on Play Store, wow, and 444,000 reviews. I think that's really good for an app like this. It's a really popular app, so without wasting time, let's break into our content outline for today. So yeah guys, this is what we'll be considering today. We'll be looking at what Pixellab is, what it is used for, why you should use it, and also where you could learn to use the app. So I have provided timestamps to all these sections so you can quickly navigate through it and skip whichever part you wish to. It's also provided for in the description, so you check there too. So what is Pixellab? Pixellab is a photo editing software and graphic design tool designed specially for mobile phones, available on only Android devices. It has many features to help you get started with graphic designing on your mobile phone or smartphone. Take some seconds to read that again. So next we look at what Pixellab is used for. Pixellab is used to make amazing graphic design contents like this one, or this one, or this one, or to edit photos like this one right here. All these are part of the things we can do with Pixellab. So next let's know why we should use Pixellab. Well, there are many reasons. Pixellab is a free mobile application and doesn't require any payment to use its main tools. Pixellab has many features to make your ideas come to life. All my thumbnails so far have been made with Pixellab. Yes, Pixellab. Now we know what Pixellab is, it's important we know how to use it or it will be of no use to us. So where can you learn to use it? Here, you can learn to use Pixellab on this channel. I have made videos on Pixellab on this page and I plan on making more, so for more value click the subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video, or you can click the link that appears on the screen right now to view short videos on Pixellab. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, kindly like and share, and if you have any issues with what we talked about today, leave a comment and I'll reach back to you in good time. Click on any video on screen to get more knowledge on graphic designing and Pixellab.